Hello once again and welcome to Automods. My name is Jay. How's everyone doing? Today I'll be working on my BMW 330 CD again, and I will be changing my fuel filter. The reason why I'm changing the fuel filter because A, I don't know how long it's been on there for, and secondly I'm having some performance issues. And lastly, the car does not want to start up.
No, start, come on.
After the first start, when I try and start it up again, it seems to it's a very hard start for it. So I'm hoping that it's just a fuel filter. I'll find out in a bit. I'm going to carry on with it and let's see what we find out. Right, here's the fuel filter and the fuel pump. That is the fuel pump, the low pressure fuel pump, and then you got your filter in line with it. So that filter is the one that I'm going to be changing. I've got the new one, it's a Bosch OEM filter, so it should be a direct replacement for this one. Right, I'm just going to go and get it and get it changed. Right, I've got this filter out. It doesn't look like it's a Bosch one. I think it's some other brand. Again, the filter is stamped 2016. Right, that's dirty. The diesel that's come out that filter. It looked like it was pretty clogged to me. There's lots of debris. You can see lots of dirt, so I reckon it was pretty clogged. This is a Bosch fuel filter that I'm going to be using. I found it online on eBay.
the best price I possibly could get it. I'll put the link up to it. The prices do change, so make sure that it is still the lowest price. It is an original Bosch, it's not a knockoff. So if you want to change yours, I suggest you get it from where I got it. Right, I've done the fuel filter change. I've taken the car out for a test drive. It absolutely drives a lot better, no performance issues. Before it was very sluggish, it didn't want to accelerate. Now you just have to tap the pedal and it goes. Therefore it was a clogged filter that was causing me issues. Dude! I'm happy I changed it. It should have been done a long time ago. The last filter on it, it has a date on it saying all the way in 2016. So I can only presume that it's been on there for some time, considering how much rubbish came out of it. So I suggest if you are having hard start issues, before you start splashing out on injectors or anything like that, ask yourself when was your fuel filter was actually changed. If it hasn't been changed for a while, then do have a look at it and change it if need be. Okay, I hope to catch you all again soon. Hope you liked the video, and don't forget to click on the like or the subscribe button. Now, happy motoring, see you later.